In this video, I will be showing you how to change your Google Chrome profile name. So let's get started. For this, just come inside your Google Chrome browser. To the top, we'll be having the profile icon. Click it. Here, just select Manage Chrome Profiles. Here we'll be having the list of all the profiles in our Google Chrome browser. So just select the profile of your choice and select More Actions. Click on Edit. Here we can change the Chrome profile, the theme as well as the avatar. I will just change this to main and just go back. That's it. Now just close it. If I go to the same manage profiles, as you can see the name has been changed. So when you're changing it, just go back, okay? Don't close it directly. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.